Something doesn't feel right. Circumstances got me broken from the feel like my whole life is a lie, and I'm looking for a way to get better. But lately my entire world's become gray and the weather been cold as ever. That's my real life. I realize in my real life, even realize, can't fathom that they wanna see me living like better, but then they never wanna ever see me living like better than them. And I'm a friend to them. What is a friend to them? If all my friends be enemies and I'm dead to them, when will it end? My days spent on defending my feelings, showing no emotion, pretending that I'm feeling fine, but I'm reminding my time is what I'm seeking. I'm like a light beaming at night when I fight demons. It's out of sight, seeming like I cannot quite reach it till I find a peace of mind and I'm giving my life meaning.
Losing interest, you won't find no better than this. I swear, girl, if you leave, just let me know so I won't look down when you move on. Losing interest, you won't find no better than this. I swear, girl, if you leave, just let me know so I won't look down when you move on.
Hey, let me hit that shit real quick. Romanticizing fantasies, fantasizing these strategies actually get you back at me Saturday. Just imagining actually happening, I'm staggering. I'm like a cavity, blackening, practically practicing rhymes. Rhyming a masterpiece, I'm naming it after you, so you would come after me. Climbing the mind, trying, applying my time, crying and sighing, cause I ain't did this for nothing. But you ain't see how I'm feeling on God, though I ain't bluffing. I be huffing and puffing, just abusing the substance. Cause of you, I mean nothing, but how the fuck I mean nothing? I mean, I gotta mean something, but at the end, and it's nothing. These hands of mine be tied behind me, declining the pride free. I'm like the OD, I'm tired of old me. Pray to God, don't get cold feet. All I wanted was amnesty, come to find out it ain't for me. All these demons have aimed for me, pay to play today, will be the fucking day that you pray for me.
Losing interest, you won't find no better